guys, good evening. So for dinner for today is quinoa na may gulay. Sige mo ba? And then adobo is not done. So cook. Adobo to guys, chicken muna. And then chicken skin, and then pinirito later. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you for panaluto. Lutuin pa yan kay sugahian. Patayin na kasi malatain na ang gula. Thank you so much for bush.
At not seeing. Laro tayo.